Welcome back, students. Standard 4th, Subject EVS Part 2, Lesson number 16, Campion in the South. Now, students, what is the meaning of campion? It means a plan to do a number of things in order to achieve a special aim or expedition. So, let us start with our first point, that is plan of campion. So, the coronation ceremony was over, but its joy was short time. After the coronation ceremony, Shivaji's mother passed away. That means after some time, after the coronation ceremony, Shivaji's mother, Ma Sahib, expired. She died. She left this world on 17 June 1674. Means just 12 days after Shivaji Maharaj's crowning ceremony. Shivaji Maharaj was very sad. His support was gone. Who would give him advice now? Who would be his guide? Whom would he talk to? Shivaji Maharaj was a great king and protector of the people, but he really needed his mother. People depended upon Shivaji Maharaj as their protector, but Shivaji Maharaj himself depended upon his mother for advice and guidance to run the Hindavi Swaraj. She was his true guru in his life. He was deeply sad and heartbroken, but he did not have much time for crying. He had very little time for sorrow. Why? Because he has to look after his kingdom. He had to administer the kingdom which he had established. Shivaji Maharaj created peace and stability in every region of Maharashtra. So now Shivaji Maharaj decided to attack Karnataka. He was not afraid of Adil Shah because Bijapur had almost become powerless. The real threat to Swaraj was from the north. Shivaji was worried because he was afraid of Mughals from the north, Emperor Aurangzeb. So, Emperor Aurangzeb wanted to destroy the Maratha kingdom. So, Shivaji Maharaj thought it is good to make a powerful base in south, so it can withdraw or oppose or resist the blow from Mughals. It means king from south can help Maratha during the war with Mughals. They can be a good support to Maratha kingdom. So with this in view, he planned his southern campaign. In case Aurangzeb even attacked Shivaji Maharaj with his all strength, Shivaji wanted to have a friend in the south. So Shivaji Maharaj chose the Qutub Shah. Adil Shah was also another power in the south. But by this time, the Adil Shah was very weak and was about to be finished. So Shivaji wisely decided to have friendly relation with the Qutub Shah instead of Adil Shah. So he asked Qutub Shah of Golconda for help. Qutub Shah agreed to meet Shivaji. He agreed to give whatever help was needed. Then, one more reason for this campaign was Shivaji's stepbrother Venkoji Raje was looking after Shahaji's Tanjore Jagir in the south. Venkoji Raje was brave and well educated, but he never behaved well with Shivaji Maharaj. He had not given Shivaji his share of the Shahaji's Jagir of Karnataka. He was not in good terms with Shivaji. He did not have any love for Swaraj, and no love, no affection, and no respect towards Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj thought that a personal meeting can solve all the issues and repair the relationship, so that he can ask help from even Venkoji Raje in the work of Swaraj. Next point, visit to Golconda. Now Shivaji Maharaj left to Golconda. he started on his southern campaign. Abul Hasan Qutub Shah of Golconda had invited Shivaji Maharaj to visit Golconda. Therefore, he decided to visit Golconda first and then proceed with his conquest of the south. Golconda was the capital of Qutub Shah's kingdom. Now, let us see how Qutub Shah welcomed Shivaji Maharaj. He made many big preparations to welcome Shivaji Maharaj. A special shamiana was put in front of these two when they were going to meet. People were standing in line to see Shivaji Maharaj, to have his darshan. Stories of his exploits were the talk of the whole country. People had heard about the death of Afzal Khan, the discomfiture of Shaiste Khan, and Shivaji's escape from the Agra. Miraculous escape from the Agra. Shivaji Maharaj was a hero for the people. People were eager to meet Shivaji Maharaj. All this news had already spread the whole India. Shivaji Maharaj received a royal welcome at Qutub Shah's kingdom. People showered with flower petals on him from the housetops. Qutub Shah came down halfway to receive Shivaji Maharaj in his darbar. He had made a special throne for Shivaji Maharaj next to his throne to sit at the same level where he seated. Now, throne means a special chair where the king or queen sits. So, he had made the best arrangements for the meeting with Shivaji Maharaj. Thank you.